What are fast remedies to combat heartburn, GERD, and acid reflux? Let's talk about it. Gastrointestinal reflux disorder, or GERD, is acid reflux from the stomach up into the esophagus and leads to the sensation of heartburn. GERD affects many Americans. While there's many over-the-counter products that are effective in treating heartburn, GERD, and acid reflux, my preference is to use more natural agents as a first-time remedy and for actual healing of the condition. The fastest relief for heartburn, acid reflux, and GERD is Deglycerized Licorice, or DGL. Take 2 to 4 chewable DGL tablets between meals or 20 minutes before meals. DGL is particularly good at supporting the cells in your stomach that produce mucus to protect them. DGL does not necessarily reduce stomach acid, but actually helps to protect your stomach. DGL is highly effective for fast relief. Ginger can be helpful for GERD and works quickly. Ginger is particularly good for indigestion leading to acid reflux. Sip ginger tea or chew ginger root or crystallized ginger for fast relief. The dose is no more than 1 to 2 grams per day because more can actually cause increase in heartburn. An ancient remedy for acid reflux is Mastic Gum. Recommended dose is 350 milligrams 3 times a day. Mastic Gum is an ancient remedy from Greece that has been shown to heal the stomach lining and treat H. pylori, which is known to cause gastric ulcers. Of course, avoiding spicy foods, nicotine, alcohol, and prolonged fasting can help prevent GERD and heartburn. Be sure you sleep with the head of your bed elevated to avoid acid reflux. Even just your neck or shoulders elevated with pillows can help to reduce GERD. Optimizing hypothalamus function can help heal GERD over time, as the hypothalamus communicates directly with the gastrointestinal tract, governing gastric emptying, gastrin and cholecystokinin function. Hormones control both stomach mucus production and bile release. If you do suffer from GERD, it helps to mix Genesis Gold with coconut water to neutralize the citric acid that stabilizes the greens. If you have any questions about GERD, please join us in our free Hormone Reboot Training. I'll see you in the next video.